This is new, different for me. Kind of laying on the makeup a bit thick, but works with this crazy thing that I have on my head. Anyway, it's not what this video is about. I'm going to use this old docket book that I've had for 10 years now, and I've done nothing with it. I meant to use it to write receipts down and make a note of the amount of people that buy my artwork, but not a lot of people bought my artwork, which is fine. Means I get to keep it. So I'm going to paint on it, and I don't know what I'm going to do except use gouache and have a bit of fun. See how I go.